Cette scène a eu lieu mardi dernier à Jacksonville, en Floride. Erica McGriff, une mère venue récupérer sa fille à la sortie de l'école, est interpellée par un policier. Il lui reproche de s'être mal garée en laissant sa voiture, moteur allumé, à une intersection.
I need your license. I need your license. That's your car. I just saw you get out of the car.
Hey, that's not my car.
Okay.
Going over here, please don't, please. Hey.
You right here with your
Hey,
student?
hey.
You right here with your student?
This is my daughter. Please do not touch me.
Do you want to go to jail?
Don't touch me. I do not, sir. I did not do anything
Okay.
wrong.
Yes, you
I
did.
did not do
You left
anything
your vehicle
wrong.
unattended.
No, I did not leave that
You could
vehicle.
get a ticket.
I was the passenger.
You could
The
get a
driver
ticket.
went to the school. The driver is at the
You
school,
could get
sir.
a
Ici, Erica McGriff préfère mentir car son permis lui a été retiré pour de précédentes infractions de la route. Très vite, le ton monte et l'arrestation dégénère.
You're making a big
Please
deal.
don't do this in front
You're
of my
making
child, sir.
yep.
You got me fucked up. You gonna punch me?
I'm about to put you on the ground. Pull away from me. You're going to jail. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. You're pulling away from me. Oh, you gonna fight me? You were too close.
I can't breathe. Stop! I can't breathe. He's choking me. He's choking me.
Suite au partage massif de la vidéo sur les réseaux sociaux, le shérif du bureau de police de la ville a pris la parole pour défendre et féliciter son policier en balayant toute accusation de violence policière.
She violently resisted Officer Holton and eventually punched him repeatedly and bit him.
She was saying that she couldn't breathe. It was kind of hard to tell what exactly kind of.
She could breathe. It's pretty obvious he didn't want to go too far. He wanted to make sure he followed the rules and made sure he did this the best way that he could. And I commend him for that.
Le shérif a également annoncé l'arrestation des deux femmes qui demandaient aux policiers de lâcher Erica McGriff.
Get off her! Baby! What's the PIN number to your phone so we can call your mom?
Back up. Back up.
Ultimately, however, they violated Florida law themselves.
Pour le shérif, les deux femmes n'ont pas respecté la ALOLO, entrée en vigueur en début d'année, et qui exige que les civils maintiennent une distance de sécurité de 7,60 m avec un policier effectuant une arrestation.
So what's today's takeaway? If you violently resist our officers, if you punch them, if you bite them, you will be arrested.